Everybody got them tied? Fast? I see you over there. Okay, now, it's early Christmas Eve, and the air tingles with excitement. Jack Frost has been busy making things look pretty for Christmas. You can feel that old north wind blow, can't you? Can't you feel it? No? Can somebody turn down the air conditioning? Anyway, the elves have just finished with every detail, down to painting the last stripe on the last candy cane. This is cause for much celebration by all my little elves, Eeny and Meeny and Gypsylini and Hop and Top and Boppalini and Nipsel, Nipsel and Blinky and Blank and Joe and Fred and Tom and Frank. And they're having a wonderful time dancing and singing. But this is when Santa gets down to serious business. I must go into action. No time for lollygagging, for there are many things that require my attention. So the first thing I do is, yes, I take a nap. Just a short one though, because Santa has such a busy night ahead of him. Zooming in and out of uncountable chimneys, faster than an old shooting star I might have. Santa has to visit every house in the whole world in one night. One night. You see, that's approximately, wait, 201,647 days. Wait, I carry the three. Well, that's approximately a heap. That's why I'm taking the precaution of starting a half hour early. The next thing I do, that is after I wake up, of course, is check with Mrs. Claus. She's in charge of making sure all my supplies are on board the sleigh, and including my list of children who've been naughty or nice. She has my hot chocolate, my maps, my AAA card, and my flashlight, and my trusty old light, and a wee bit of magic. That once the toys are packed, we're ready. The reindeer are stomping and prancing and jingling the bells on their shiny harnesses, and with my pack on my back, I climb up into the sleigh, grab the first moonbeam, and we're up and away! Hot from the earth like toast from a toaster, swooping and looping like a roller coaster, over the clouds and into the clear night air, missing the moon with just inches to spare. Over the northern lights, through the Milky Way, and right into the handle of the Big Dipper, racing higher and higher until we look like a wee bit of a star way up in the sky, with the lights on Earth twinkling down below. It's such fun. But we have had our anxious moments, like when Rudolph just barely missed one of those newfangled satellites. We usually cruise at about 180,000 miles per second. That's just under the speed of light, I think. The old sleigh tends to rattle a bit if we go any faster than that. The reindeer know the way, so I just sit back and think all of bless your little fuckers, half smiling and sleep, dreaming of the wonders that the morning will bring. The excitement really begins when I feel the runners of the sleigh scrape upon that first rooftop. Once I know that all the children are asleep, watch out! It's down the chimney with my pack on my back, and boys and surprises and tucked away things. And then I'm gone. All in the twinkling of an eye. I don't mind telling you that getting down a chimney is much easier than getting up one. Digging these old boots into sides of billions of chimneys gives me enough of a workout to last a whole year. And after looping the globe from one pole to the other, I get really tuckered out. So after we hit the South Pole, we swing by Australia and catch that last house. Then we grab a comet's tail and hang on all the way back to the North Pole. Now, this is my favorite part of the trip. Everything is wondrous and still. Everyone in the world is asleep, it seems like. All is calm, all is bright. And if I listen real close, I can always hear, just over my shoulder, a beautiful voice singing Silent Night. Can you hear it? Listen.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Welcome, virgin mother and child.
Gee, Santa, that was the best story I ever heard.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Santa, does that mean you have to go?
Yes, I'm sorry, Billy Bob, but it looks like I'm going to have to get back up there to the North Pole and take care of these things. I have so many toys to make and so many things to do to get ready for Christmas Day.
Well, we understand, huh, guys?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, well, Santa, we sure want you to come back next year. Will you come back?
Oh, indeed, I'll come back. Thank you all for inviting me.
You're welcome, Santa.
Oh, we love you.
I love you all too.
Yes, Santa.
Oh, one more thing before I go.
What's that?
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of